welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode, I wanted to let y'all know what we did this weekend. It was something crazy. So my little brother came through for Thanksgiving with his family, and he works at Google. This guy is a tech genius. Now, when he came through, he knows that I make games, and he wanted to do a game jam. So he was like, hey bro, let's do a game jam. And I'm like, all right, let's do it. We only got about 3-4 days, let's get it done. So we sat down and we brainstormed. We thought, like, what could we do with our two skills and bring them together? Remember, he specializes in AI. I specialize in video games. So we wanted to bring that together. And after a long brainstorming session, we decided on maybe we should do like an elf game, right? Something Christmas themed, because Christmas is coming up. So we decided to make an elf game where the elf could generate any kind of gift or build any kind of gift they want to for the children, right? Now what we had to do was difficult, but we decided to break it up. So in the morning time when I woke up, after brainstorming all night, my brother already started on the server. It's crazy. So I felt like if he's going that hard, I need to go that hard as well. So instantly I started creating an elf in Blender, and I gave it some bones and I made it move. Then I wanted the elf to be inside some kind of world, so we decided maybe put it in the North Pole, right? So we put the elf in an environment of the North Pole, and I wanted to design the North Pole so that it looked really North Pole-y. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted you to feel like, whoa, this is magical. So I put as much magical things as I could there. I got little gingerbread people walking around. I got penguins that you could fight. I got snowmen in there. There's a reindeer. There's a reindeer stable, actually, and Rudolph's in there. And then most importantly, beyond Santa's castle, which you can see from anywhere on the map, there is Santa's workshop. And this is where all the magic will go down. Inside of Santa's workshop, you're able to go to your workstation and start creating toys. Now, this is where the beauty of the whole game is, because when you create a toy, yes, there's a toy list on the wall. You have to create a toy for whomever the kid is, whether they were naughty or nice, and they may ask for a bike or something like that. But you don't have to make them a bike. You can make them whatever you type in. For example, if you want to give the kid a Super Saiyan Big Bird doll, well, type it in, Super Saiyan Big Bird, and then you wait, and Super Saiyan Big Bird will appear. Or at least what it thinks Super Saiyan Big Bird looks like. Now we're in the process of mapping the UVs and the textures to create materials at runtime as well, so that these objects will also be, they'll have the right colors on them. We're actually using AI to pull in 3D objects live at runtime based upon user input. Now this is something that's crazy. If there's any other game developers out here doing something like this, let me know. Let's link up. Let's make this junk huge. I'm working on one more thing as well to make this process seamless, and that's making all of the background loading run asynchronously, meaning that it runs while the game is running, but only in the background, so it doesn't take away resources from the game. Right now, what happens is when the object does load in, there is a slight delay where it will slow the game up, and I'm going to cover that up with like a loading screen or something. However, once we get that done, this game will be playable for everyone to play. I will have to put a price tag on it because every time we call to the server, it does cost a little bit of money. So if you're going to be creating millions of objects, you probably have to put a little $5 or $10 price tag on the game. But regardless, I think that we just cracked the code and did something super magical, and I hope this inspires y'all to do some more magical shit, or inspires you to come and check this game out, or check out what we got going on. Other than that though, I will holla at y'all in the next one. Peace.